Kinder, we are going to draw a monster. This is not my sheet. It's from the internet. You'll need pencil and eraser. First thing, put your name on the bottom left and check your shoulder buddy. You have a little sheet to go by. Like I said, this isn't my sheet, and there are steps you're going to count. Look at all the different steps. We're going to take our time. And you always use your finger first. So draw a soft rectangle right now on your paper. Think about placement. You want to have room for your ears, your arms, and your legs. Then pick up your pencil. Soft rectangle means it's not a hard, pointy corner on the edge. Draw lightly, remember. Light till you get it right. Don't worry about if it's not perfect, no big deal. So that's step number 1. Now ready for number 2. Draw with your magic finger 2 circles. Go ahead and draw all those circles. Magic finger on top. Do the ears. A little bump. Draw with your pencil. Next step is number 3. Wavy line for the mouth. Practice first, then use your pencil. Now you want little arms with 2 little bumps. Bump, bump on the left. Bump, bump on the right. Artist, now you're going to do the tongue, which is a little backward C. Okay, then you do the top of the arm, go up, and back to the face. Other side should look just like it. Next step, little bumps on the side of the monster's body. Those are his arms, maybe. Looks like a C on one side. On the other side is a backward C. Now you're ready for the bottom of the mouth. Curve that line, hit a bump and jump, and finish the other side. Next step, you have a little squiggly line on the bottom. It's going to be his tail. Look at step number 6. Take your pencil, have the little V going down. That's part of his tail. Finish the tongue, put a little curve up top. Now you want curvy, wavy line. Curvy, wavy line. Now you're going to finish the bottom where the rest of the legs are. Looks like an L. After that, artist, the rest of the tail comes down, curves down like a slide. Step number 8, you're going to finish the rest of the tail. Okay. After that, let's look at the picture. What are we missing? Oh, the eyeballs. You want a circle inside the circle and another circle inside the circle. The teeth. You can add as many teeth as you want. It's a zigzag or a V. Okay. After that, you're going to add some polka dots in just a minute. Say it with me, artist. Snap that cap. Let your marker take a nap. Artist, now I'm going to show you how to color using Miss Molly, the marker. We always take care of the markers. If they don't work, let me know. We'll just throw them away. We have more. First thing, you're going to very carefully outline that space or shape, okay, with the tip of the marker. We're not pressing hard. If you turn Miss Molly on the side, the line becomes thicker and darker, okay? And we color baby color just like how we use our crayons. Go back and forth. Make sure we're coloring ooh la la and not leaving any white spaces. Don't scribble scrabble. Now, Miss Milligan likes to use Senior Carl the crayon with Molly the marker. So first I outline with the marker, then I take the crayon and color Ooh La La. I love the way this looks. I think it looks better than using just the whole thing as marker. So give it a try, artist. Senior Carl the crayon, color Ooh La La, no scribble scrabble. Artists, this is a coloring sheet that I got from the internet. You can color, baby, color.